Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 20th of February. I'm James Spann. Potential for record warmth continues each day for the rest of the week. We'll have a few showers along the way and a change to somewhat cooler weather by late this weekend and early next week. And what about the month of March? Let's go in there and check it out. There's the upper air look, and you know the story. You know the pattern. Very high amplitude. A very deep cold upper trough in the west. An intense warm upper ridge over the east. And for us, the ridge is the story. We've got upper 50s for Gadsden and Fort Payne. Most spots are in the 60s. Birmingham at 67. We'll be flirting with 80 later today. Many more new records will be established. Cold air not that far away, but it's going to stay up north. We're going to stay in warm air through at least Saturday. In the cold air, we've got winter weather advisories from parts of Oklahoma up into the Midwest and the Great Lakes. Still some winter storm warnings for parts of Colorado and New Mexico. And some fog problems for some of the eastern states. But despite the big thermal contrast, no severe storms expected today from Texas to the Great Lakes. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder for the northern part of Alabama. No severe weather expected. And on day 3, which is Thursday, again, the risk of some thunder, mainly west of here, but no severe weather problems. We do note on day 5, which is Saturday, there is some risk of severe storms defined from northeastern Texas up into West Tennessee and the northwestern corner of Alabama, but not so sure it's going to be an overwhelming threat. We'll take a look at that in a second. QPF, rain, you bet your buddy. Heaviest rain in the zone of the clashing air masses from Texas up into the Ohio Valley. This is the excessive rainfall outlook today. Could see some flooding problems from Texas to the Great Lakes. A couple of moderate risks in there. In Alabama, this is the rain for the next 7 days. And again, the numbers vary a good bit. Over 3 inches for the Shoals, under 1/2 inch for Dothan. For Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, rain amounts a little over 1 inch. And this is through Tuesday morning of next week. So let's take it day by day. Model fans, this is the GFS. The 06C run at noon today. And there you go. Western trough, very cold and snowy. Big upper high, 594 circle off the South Atlantic coast. Warmth of record proportion. Speaking of warmth here, here's the anomalies today. Blowtorch warmth for the east. Brutal cold for the west and northern states. Record highs, you'll have them today. All those circles, those are cities with potential for record highs. Seeing 80 at Huntsville and Birmingham, Montgomery at 82, Mobile 81. All the big stations set record highs at this verifies. Hey, want record lows? We've got them. Out west, I'm seeing some spots in Montana going down to 20 below zero. Just brutally cold there. So in terms of precipitation today, again, the big rains in the frontal zone. Snow back in the cold air. And for us, very warm, breezy. Could there be a shower? Yes. This is the high-res HER at 3 o'clock, but just specks, very isolated. Mixture of clouds and sunshine. Tomorrow, the moisture should be a little deeper, but I'm still not convinced it rains all that much. We'll mention scattered, mostly afternoon showers and storms, but I think they will be scattered. The most widespread rain stays west of here. And again, very warm. We'll be close to 80. Thursday, the better chance of rain will seem to be across the northern third of the state, really north of Birmingham, up in the Tennessee Valley. The southern 2/3 of the state will likely stay warm and dry. And again, we'll be up there close to 80. Every day this week will be close to 80. Friday, the ridge strengthens, and this could be our warmest day right here. This could be a day where we might make a run at the warmest February temperature on record for Birmingham. That's 83. And low 80s are likely, and the day should be dry. What about the weekend, you ask? Well, we got a surface low developing over southwest Kansas. Snow likely in the cold air north and west of that. And I just don't think it rains that much Saturday. And yes, we're going to mention scattered showers, maybe some thunder. But again, very warm, 77 to 80. A lot of clouds around, but a decent part of the day should be dry. Now, this is Sunday morning at 6 a.m. The surface low is over Lake Michigan or near Chicago. The trailing front coming in here, and that should bring a pretty good band of showers and storms. So I think the better chance of rain over the weekend, if this verifies, would be Saturday night into Sunday morning. Could there be some strong storms? Yes, but that's not an overwhelming severe weather look. And then Sunday by midday, the better chance of rain pushing down into southeast Alabama. And Sunday will likely be cooler with highs in the 60s. And then the front stalls out, and Monday we'll have a chance of rain with low to mid-60s. And a week from today, Tuesday the 27th, big trough in the west, the eastern ridge not that strong. And again, we have a stalled surface boundary that's parallel to the upper airflow. So again, some chance of rain with highs in the 60s. This is the end of the forecast period, Thursday of next week, March 1st. That's when we kick off the spring tornado season and meteorological spring. Again, troughing in the west, zonal flow, stall front, chance of showers. So next week, highs should be mostly in the 60s. Deeper into March, the European ensemble continues to suggest some cold shots, some maybe respectable cold shots. And this is no forecast here, but the pattern would favor that. And again, the concern here is that, things might kind of shake and bake with cold shots and strong to severe storms from time to time, which is what happens here in March. This is the Arctic Oscillation coming off the European ensemble. And what does it do? It dives negative as we get into March. North Atlantic Oscillation, what does it do? It dives negative. And all that favors some cold air getting in here. And the screaming message with this is that winter's not over yet. Here are the numbers off the European ensemble. You can see we go back in the 60s next week, and then after that in the 50s. So this will probably be our warmest week for a while. So enjoy. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes of the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.